In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a serpentine belt on a Nissan NV2500. It is located on the front part of the engine. Just below the top radiator hose is your belt tensioner. Your belt tensioner is a 14 millimeter. You need to move that to your left to release the tension on the belt. Once you release tension on your belt, remove your belt from your power steering pump. And the rest of the pulleys. And that's your serpentine belt. Now it's time to install your belt. Up on the screen, you're going to see a belt root diagram. You need to root your belt just like this diagram. Now that we have our belt rooted onto all our pulleys except for our alternator, you want to pry down on your belt tensioner and install your belt onto your alternator pulley. Once your belt is around your alternator, release your belt tensioner. After you install your belt, now's a good time to start the vehicle just to make sure your belt stays on all your pulleys.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.